Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. It's HNOC here. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So today I'm back with another mod review, and today's mod is the Sorcerer mod. So of course I'll be leaving all the links down in the description below. So yeah, let's get started. So when you first open the link, it'll take you to Mod The Sims, and it'll say become a sorcerer, choose your alignment, and unlock spells. So I just repeated myself. Oh my god. Okay, so you want to go to files and then scroll down to the most recent one, and the most recent one for me is the 20th of July 2018, and then click this link. And then once it's fully downloaded, click and show in folder. And then, wow, I have a bunch already downloaded. So what you want to do is either cut or copy it. I'm just gonna cut it. And then go to mods. And if you can't find your mods folder, go to this PC, then documents, then electronic arts, then The Sims 4, and then mods. So yeah, that's basically how you find your mods folder. So next you want to go, or I guess since I already have a folder, I can just go in here. Wait, that's the extreme violence mod. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, it's the Triple Sorcerer. So you can either make a new folder, but since I already have a folder, I can just plop it in. But I already have it already downloaded, so I really shouldn't, so I don't really have to ultimate zip it, but you guys do, of course. So I'll have the link to ultimate zip down below. So yeah, once you have the file, you should extract here. And then once you extract it, all of these package files should show up in your folder. So yeah, that's basically it. And we're just gonna hop in game, and I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, so I'm in game, and I'm going to show you how to activate the mod. So what you want to do is go to build mode, and you want to get, here I'll show you. Basically, type in the search bar, I think it's called, my game would, like, literally stop freezing. Hello? Okay, so type in the search bar lump of clay. I think that's what it's called. Lump of clay, yeah. Okay, so it's basically this. So just place it around anywhere. It's fine. And we go to live mode, and we have Valerie again. To demonstrate for us this mod. So let's, so you're gonna see once you click on the clay that it says mold clay, put in inventory, and there should be a new option that says investigate object. So we're gonna have her investigate that object. Sorcerer. Valerie Wu is tingling with magical energy. Click on her and choose a ritual under spells. Meditate on the spirit of blah blah blah. Okay, so basically, you want to click on her, and there should be a new option that says spells, and you can go ahead and hide her magic tingles, the kind of spirit things that are like coming around her, like, yeah. And then there's another which says meditate on the spirit of llama dishes. I don't know. So once you click on that, there are three options, or three rituals, I guess you can say. The first one is do ritual of runner's vigor. Sorcerers with this trait don't need to manage hygiene or energy. So basically, if you click on this, your Sims won't need hygiene or energy anymore. Or you can do the ritual of digestive control, which basically they don't need hunger or bladder. And then the ritual of forced isolation, they don't need fun or social need. I think we should do the ritual of isolation because it's technically not cheating that much. Because taking away hunger and energy is kind of taking the Sims, you know, I don't know, in a way, like their livelihood. So they're gonna meditate, and I'm probably just gonna speed this up. Oh, okay, so Solitude. Valerie Rue has successfully completed the ritual of forced isolation. Okay, so basically she activated a, so if you go to, I think needs, yes, it's need, there's a new bar that is Magical Connection. So basically, Magical Connection being tapped into the power of Lamadissus affords 1% magical strength, requires an ongoing tribute of sacrificing and draining needs. Basically, you gotta watch this bar or they get really dazed, and this is the alignment. It's basically tells you if they're if it goes up, that means it's like good energy, and if it goes down, it's like bad. So basically evil and good. Yeah. So we can have her practice. So once clicking on her, maybe, okay, we can either do black arts or white arts. And then we can either hit practice on both. So I'm going to make her practice little black arts. Personally, I like the black arts better because, like, I don't know, it just gives you more option, or your Sims more option of, like, learning magic in a way. Not, like, bad magic, but, like, kind of, like, fire, electricity, like, you know, siphoning and, like, kind of, like, controlling in a way. And I kind of like that, but the good one, it's, like, okay, you know. It's just, it's better. I mean, it's just my opinion, but, like, if you want to have more fun, definitely do black arts. And then there's an animation to it whenever she practices the magic. And I'll definitely show you guys the white arts practice. So I might just speed this up. Oh yeah, so she summons and reads. I don't really get that, but I like the flame and like the whole like dark animation around her, which I think is really cool. Okay, so basically, once she practiced a skill, she learned a new skill, Black Arts, level 1. So basically, the max level is level 10, and that's when they can do, like, I really don't know. You guys probably should play with this. Like, I don't think I should explain all of it, just so I don't really spoil it for you guys, but yeah. So, okay, so wait, is she already on level 2? What? No. Okay, no, she's on level 1, but I'm gonna have her stop. Wait, cheat her knee because she's getting a little sleepy. So I'm gonna have her practice white art. Yes, I'm gonna practice. Yeah, okay. So this is gonna be the animation. So she's kind of like flying. Love that. Oh my god, my game's freezing. Oh great, this is great. She's doing it. There's like particles. I don't know. There's supposed to be heart particles. It's not showing up in my game. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And okay, so each level, oh, there's the heart particles. So each level basically grants them more skills. So if you want them to have more options of casting magic, you definitely want to make them practice to gain their art levels up. So yeah. And oh, so see how I kind of cheated her needs? It went all the way to max. So basically she's like in the zone of like max being like the light side, but if I go all the way down, it's the max towards the dark side. But you guys can play around with that. I don't really have to explain, but yeah. So okay, let's have her stop practicing. Oh my god, girl, stop. Like, I love the heart particles. It looks so pretty. Okay. Anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna make her maybe just cast like a random spell. So if you click on the floor, you can teleport someone here, or you can teleport yourself. So you can teleport anywhere, which is kind of really cool. Hold on, let me see. If I click on her, she should have no any spells. I can make her run fast. Hold on. No, I don't want to do that. I don't know. It's not showing. Maybe I have to level for skills, but we don't have time for that. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cheat. So I'm gonna be using the MC Command Center mod. MC Command, yeah. And then we're gonna go to MC Cheats and let's see, skill cheats. And then I'm gonna set skill, and then we're gonna find the black arts. So let me see. Here's the white arts. I can make it max. So like, oh, yeah, I know, right? This is why I love the MC Command mod. It's honestly the greatest. Like, I can just cheat. I can just cheat for days, and it's great. So basically, she has max skills, and hold on. Maybe she can, yeah, spells, black arts, set on fire. So basically, the more you level up, so I have everything maxed, the more you have leveled up, you can cast more magic. And definitely it helps to get your alignment. So if you cast a bad spell, your alignment of the good side goes down. So yeah, the more of your alignment, like see, then she's casting like a dark magic, like her alignment's going down. And now it's casting a fire. Okay, okay. No, wait, extinguish. Or we can douse it. Douse, girl. Boop. Done. Oh, I hate how her hair is glitching, and that's really... Okay, so basically, since we have max light alignment, we can devote ourselves to the light. Basically, making us immortal or making us, like, good and all. But, like, if you have your alignment to max dark, then you can devote yourself to the dark. But since I cheated, it went to max. So, yeah. Basically, and I can do Suppress Sadness, cast Aurora on somebody nearby, which I don't think anyone is nearby this late at night. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for the mod. I definitely suggest you guys play around because I didn't really go over that much magic. But yeah, you kind of get the gist. But also, if you don't want your Sims to be sorcerers or witches anymore, you just click the lump of clay and you basically can just purge your magic back into the clay. So let's just say that Valerie had enough of being a witch, so she can basically return magic to object and just wait for it. See, the magic connection and the alignment are gone, and basically she's a human now. So yeah, that's the option if you want your Sims, and also you can always investigate the object to get the magic power back. But yeah, so Valerie purged all her magic back into the clay, and she's not a witch anymore. So yeah, that's basically it. She still has the skills though. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked this mod / tutorial. And if you guys did, please give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Also, follow me on Twitter at AShirOZ if you guys want to hit me up, collab. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with the brand new video. Bye!